Hello, welcome back. This video is about an update that CBB added to their platform not too long ago. All right, and it has to do with the Auto GPT settings. All right, so before you test your bot, it's very important that you turn on your Auto GPT. So as of now, if you're setting up a new account, Chatbot Builder has automatically set your Auto GPT button to off mode, okay, by default. All right. So whenever you're getting ready to test your bot, make sure that you go over to settings, all right, and then go over to integrations, and then go over to OpenAI and make sure that this right here is turned on. Okay, it's likely if you're working on a new account, yours might be turned off by default. Okay, so before you do your test, make sure that you come over here to settings and then over to integrations and then open AI and turn this auto GPT on and then hit save. If you do not do that, it's likely, very, very likely that your bot may not work and you might be scratching your head and getting frustrated. Okay. So just wanted to do this video real quick to give you all updates. As we go, changes may be coming in. It's a software, so every now and then there will be updates and changes. We'll try our best to keep you updated. Okay. Take care and we'll see you in the next video.